Hi everyone, good morning. I'm here to demonstrate the paddle shifters that I installed on my Mitsubishi Pajero. So to activate the paddle shifters that are behind the steering wheel, all I have to do is just move the gear lever to manual mode right here, and then the paddle shifters are now activated. So the one on the right is plus, the one on the left is gear down. So to shift gears, all I have to do is just simply click here. The nice thing about it is you keep your hand at all time on the steering wheel when you're driving off-road, and I need maximum attention and the closest grip on the steering wheel at all time. So this just allows me to shift while my hand is very close to the steering wheel. So very nice. As you can see, it's very simple. When I need a bit of power, like right now, I move back down to the gear, and then I can get the power that I need. When I need to shift up, all I have to do is just flick up right here. The nice thing is these gear shifters are right behind the steering wheel, which means you keep your hand at all times. I just downshifted now very quickly. I didn't have to move my hand here and come back, so I keep my hand at all times. Now I just downshifted to go up this dune, and then I upshift again because I don't need to be in such low gear. So I'm still in manual mode right now. So on first gear, I'm shifting up. Now I need to climb up a little bit, so I shift down to the left, go on the climb, and then I can shift up simply. So the idea is you keep your hand at all time, the grip is on the steering wheel, you don't lose it, which is great. So now I'm shifting down as I need a bit of power to go on this crest. Okay, now I don't need this power. I shift back up to third gear. So now I'm in third gear. I want to shift down to second. Simply just pull back on it. Shift to one as I did now, just to get some extra power. I hope you liked this video and you found it useful, and thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section below, and details of the installation for the paddle shifters are in the description of this video. Please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.